What a fabulous example, just in direct from the last owner. It is absolutely beautiful. Mojo Silver Metallic Mercedes C200 Cabriolet AMG line premium. It's the 1.5 180 brake horsepower hybrid electric petrol with a 9-speed G-TRONIC automatic gearbox. Great spec on this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take you all the way around it. A proper 4-seater convertible. A very stylish car. It is fabulous. Got all the tours on it. AMG premium. Just look at it, absolutely stunning whichever angle you look at it. Electric opening boot. The boot goes back absolutely all the way back, so a nice long boot. It's got the split folding rear seats as well. Just flick the two little buttons there, drops down to give you that extra access. No spare wheel, all the toolkit under there. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera. All lovely and clean on the bodywork, no dents, no scratches, no dings anywhere. All down the sides, absolutely beautiful all the way around. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated in gloss black, so they are totally unmarked, as you can see. Matching tyres all the way around, with plenty of tread. We've fitted 2 new tyres on as well. So the seats just drop down to give you additional access in there. All down the sides. It is just gorgeous. Again, the close-up of the near side front wheel. All across the lower valance. Front parking sensors. LED headlights. Beautiful and clean all across the front. You might find the odd tiny stone chip, but no damage, no scrapes, no scorps anywhere. And this is why we do a full close-up video, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. New tyre on there, again all the wheel, absolutely perfect. Again all down the sides. New tyre on there, and again all the wheels. All the door trims absolutely perfect, no damage to those. All the controls there, folding mirrors, heated seats and the AIRSCARF. Sport seats, electric adjustment. Again the condition of those, as you can see, undamaged, no undue wear, and that's the AIRSCARF, which blows warm air onto your neck. Proper 4-seater there. Sport seats just to get the ride perfectly under your feet, under your legs. Leather multifunction steering wheel. All the dashboard, all unmarked. Nice big clear screen, and look at the mileage, 22,396. That's all it's done, 22,396. Registered in September 2020 on a 70 plate. Nice big clear screen for the navigation. All controlled from the module on there, or all across there on the steering wheel. So various ways you get into the menu, all very easy, very quick. Navigation, radio, media, telephone, just scroll across. Just very easy to go across the menu. Apple CarPlay, Again, all very nice and easy. All the vehicle information, changing the drive of it, very nifty little images on the dashboard on them. So again, additional information. Follows all the way through. Reverse camera, just making parking that little bit easier. Great sound system of the vehicle. Again, the menu in front of you, you can just scroll through there. Sports, classic, progressive. Just getting that ride exactly how you want it. And again, as you can see, the dashboard changes to how you want to view it in front of you. Again, various displays. Again, all the mood lighting changes with that. Cruise control, speed limiter. Voice activation. Of course, you've got the paddle shift gear change as well. Folding mirrors. Navigation. So you've got voice commands, which you can change the navigation with, you can change radio stations, you can dial somebody, again making it safer to drive.
Cancel.
Dual zone climate control. Again, shows you in front of you what temperature you're at. Got the menu there again, that shows you all the controls. Nice analog clock. USB, wireless charging, couple of cup holders, and again all the menus controlled from there. Control the fingertips, so easy. All the roof controls, window controls, all from there. Glove box, USB aux input. And you've also got the wind deflector. Just stops that buffering when you're driving along. And the panel in front of the windscreen actually moves at the same time. Again, part of the wind deflector. Just making the ride more comfortable with the hood down. And the hood is so easy. Simply hold the button and just look at the speed. Full electric, no latches to undo or fasten up, just simply hold the button down or up, very quick, full closure. Hey presto, job done. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI tacked and clear. Hood absolutely perfect condition, no damage, course a proper glass window in the back. Looking good with the hood up or the hood down. Just a fabulous example. Beautiful to drive. I'll just show you another little nifty trick with it. So switch the engine off. And this is the magic trick. Simply hold the button and you can take the hood down remotely or put it up very quickly should the wedge change and you need to just get the hood back up again. You don't have to get into the car or start it up, just simply hold the button and it does the whole process quickly again. So there we have it, our beautiful low mileage C200 AMG line premium with just 22,000 miles in absolutely beautiful condition. We welcome part exchange, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal and apply direct off our website. It's very quick, it's very easy. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can't arrange home delivery. Please call us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve the car and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Our phone number again, if you don't want to miss this beauty, is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.